Hey guys, it's me, GadgetGal38 here. This video is going to be the unboxing of cases for my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Stay tuned. Let go. Alright, so let's start out with this one right here, the silicone case. Let's go ahead and unbox it right quickly. Got this tab right here. And let's just hopefully just slide it out. Yep, there. Ooh, that's pretty. It almost matches what I have on, huh? That's pretty. Just take this off the thing like this. And this is just telling you how to put the case on. Ooh, that's real pretty. It's got that felt material on the inside. You have your buttons are covered, your action button and your up and down button. On this side, you got the big camera cut out. You got the Apple logo right there. And on this side, you do have your power switch here. I don't know if you can see that, but your power switch, and you also have the camera control button, and it's covered. It's flush. So let's go ahead and put the iPhone inside. So, ooh, that's pretty. Ooh. So you saw the blue circle because this case is ultramarine. So yeah, it looks good. I like that. And it also matches with my Spider-Man. I don't know if I can see that. There we go. That Spider-Man. Oh yeah, that's really nice. You have that lip protection, as you can tell there. So yeah. So I want to interrupt here. Y'all don't mind me. I'm still sick, y'all. Okay. Listen, but that lip I was talking about, it's not that much anymore after I put that screen protector on here. So I just wanted you to know that. So yeah, see how it is? It's not that much anymore. So that's what I wanted to come in here and, say. Peace. That means when you lay your phone flat, your screen will be touching the surface. And the camera is pretty much recessed as well. So yeah, and that's how it look on the bottom of the case. Okay, there you go. Looks very, very good. And I just love the marshmallow feel of the case. Well, looks great. Okay, let's go on to the next case, the clear case. So let's go ahead and do that. Undo here. Okay, just slide it out. Now with the clear case, the bottom part is open. So yeah. Now I can say about these clear cases that these cases do not yellow, and I really do like that. Other cases, they be looking yellow within 2 months or so. And yeah. So you see the MagSafe thing. Most people don't like this, but I don't think it's a way they can get around it. You see that button right here? Is that white? I think it's white to match this right here. So let's take this. I like this though. So you just push it back. Yeah. All right. Make sure your phone is pretty clean before you put this case in, because it's going to show your beautiful iPhone color. Look at that. That is nice. That is beautiful. Like I said, it's that cutout right there. So it's going to be exposed, but you do have enough lip there. There. And there's that camera control button right there. So yeah. Right there. Oh, it looks good. I don't know if I showed you the power button or not. There it is. It looks really, really good. Really good. And the camera. It's recessed down in there. Yep. So there's really not that much to talk about these cases, though. So please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, y'all. It's free. And yeah. All right, now I gotta put a screen protector on this bad boy.